Imagine a partner who knows your every need before you do. A companion who never argues, always supports you, and is tailored to be your perfect match. Now, what if this partner wasn't human? As we accelerate into a future powered by artificial intelligence, the very definition of companionship is evolving, raising a profound and startling question. Would you, and should you, marry a robot? The appeal is undeniable. An AI spouse could offer 24/7 emotional support, free from human flaws like fatigue or impatience. Imagine a home life of seamless efficiency, where chores are handled, schedules are managed, and your partner's personality is customizable to your preference. This is a relationship built on unwavering support, a partnership programmed for harmony. For many, especially the lonely or isolated, this could be a dream come true, a guaranteed end to solitude and a promise of constant, positive companionship. There would be no arguments over trivial matters, no emotional drama, just a peaceful, supportive existence. But what do we lose when we trade human complexity for programmed perfection? A relationship with an AI, no matter how advanced, lacks genuine shared experience and true empathy. It's a one-way street emotionally. The AI can simulate understanding, but it cannot feel joy, sorrow, or the depth of a shared memory. Critics warn this could lead to profound social isolation, trapping individuals in an echo chamber of their own desires, unable to navigate the messy, unpredictable, but ultimately rewarding world of human relationships. Can an algorithm truly replace the warmth of a human hug or the authenticity of a shared laugh? This raises critical questions about our own emotional development and resilience. The issue extends far beyond personal choice. Human-robot marriage would force us to confront complex legal and ethical dilemmas. Who is responsible if an AI spouse causes harm? What are the rights of a machine in a divorce? Can a robot own property or inherit assets? This isn't science fiction. It's an emerging reality that our current legal systems are unprepared for. People are already forming deep bonds with AI companions, with some even holding unofficial ceremonies. As a society, we must decide what we value in the institution of marriage. Is it a contract, a romantic bond, or something else entirely? The answers will shape the fabric of our future communities. The robot spouse is no longer a distant concept. As technology continues its relentless march forward, the choice may soon be ours. Would you opt for the comfort and predictability of a programmed partner, or the beautiful, chaotic, and authentic reality of human connection? This decision is about more than just technology. It's about what it means to love, to connect, and ultimately, what it means to be human.